Please pay attention to the disclaimer being shown. Pass Taxi provides taxi training courses to new and existing taxi and private hire drivers to obtain and renew the license. This video will help new and existing taxi drivers to know and understand the meaning of common words and terminologies usually used in taxi training courses. Understanding the meanings of words explained in this video will increase the chances of completing taxi courses comfortably and quickly. We will explain 10 words with definition and an example for your better understanding in this video, and further 10 words same way in each of our next video to improve your English language level. Essential. Essential is something which is absolutely important or necessary. For example, it is essential for a taxi driver to do a walk-around check to spot any defects on the licensed vehicle before starting the work shift. Evidence. Evidence is the information that indicates whether something is valid or true. For example, a person should first provide evidence of a valid medical and DBS check before applying for the license. Exempt. Exempt is to be free from an obligation or liability imposed on others. For example, some private hire licensed vehicles can be exempt from displaying a licensed plate. Exhibit. Exhibit is to publicly display something. For example, a private hire driver should properly exhibit licensing plate on the licensed vehicle. Expectation. Expectation is a belief that someone will achieve something. For example, one of the key expectations of all licensing authorities from licensed drivers is to carry all passengers safely and comfortably in a respectful manner. Extend. Extend is to lengthen or spread out something. For example, wheelchair ramps need to be extended reasonably before using for wheelchair transfer. Exterior. Exterior is the outer surface or structure of something. For example, a taxi driver should check the licensed vehicle's exterior regularly to spot any defects. Eye contact. Eye contact is looking directly into someone's eyes. For example, a taxi driver should make eye contact while communicating with a deaf passenger. Facial expressions. Facial expressions are expressions delivered through the face while communicating. For example, a taxi driver should use facial expressions while communicating with a deaf passenger. Facilitate. Facilitate is making an action or process easier. For example, a taxi driver should facilitate a passenger with disabilities by helping them to board and unboard the vehicle. Now it's your turn to write these words on your own, and use them in different sentences as examples to understand these words and improve your English by your own. You can watch more of our videos on YouTube regarding health and safety and taxi training courses to learn more or refresh your existing knowledge. You can visit our website for more information at passtaxi.co.uk and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.